In another word, I want to be a father without passing through the internal insanity of mourning my children. Without experiencing the ritual of walking my children return to home as bodies fold like a prayer mat. With, without expending my night telling them the stories of a hometown where natives become aliens searching for a mat shelter. I want to watch my children grow to recite the name of their homeland like the bird's Lord's Prayer. To frolic in the street without being hunted like animals in the bush, without being mobbed to death. Another word, I want my children to tame grasshopper in the field, to inhale fragrance of flower weaving as wind blows, to see the birds measure the sky with the wings. In another word,